Welcome to Learn Stock Charts YouTube channel. So today I'm going to analyze the one of the Nifty 50 stock, that is Wipro. Wipro is IT bellwether and is in technology services. So today it is running at 646 rupees 65 paisa. So let me start its analysis from monthly, because I always started analysis from monthly to weekly to daily to hourly time frame. So this stock started around 1997, very long back, and and this and let me mark the support and resistance for it. So 741. Second highest resistance is 727. Third highest resistance is around 698. See, the prices which are above than the current market price CMP is always the resistance, and the prices which are below than it are support for this particular stock, means, or in general in stock charts also. This one 646, this is also one of the, like, you can say, resistance. Support on downside is 625. Then this one, and if you see, this is also one of the 389. This is also one of the support is there. So let me start its analysis in a weekly time frame, and let me see how in weekly time frame it performs, and any chart pattern or any trend line or any support resistance will be there or not. One trend line I am able to see, this one. If you see this one, you can mark as a trend line. And let me see, any chart pattern is not there in daily time frame. In daily one also we don't have any, you can say, pattern is there, but yes, it is right now running around one of the resistance 646. Big gap is there. This is because the result came, and after result day it's not as per the expectation which market thought. So that's why the prices fall, and it is also dividend giving stock. So 1 rupees is the dividend which they will going to provide. Let me see in daily, in hourly time frame. Guys, in hourly also I'm not able to see any chart pattern or any trend line. So I can say it is all in the range right now, in between 625 to 698. Let's wait and watch for some days how it performs, because if you see, there is a zone, this particular zone is where the stock is moving. So once this zone is break, definitely upside downside movement is there, and that movement is for some long time. So keep an eye on it. And so this is for Wipro, and let me see how the previously stocks works in daily time frame, because we have find symmetrical triangle pattern in few of the stocks. Symmetrical triangle is one of the, like, the famous pattern. It tries to break today but still not break, so keep an eye on it. Bharti Airtel cup and handle we mentioned few days back. So guys, it is moving up. So I have around 10 stocks for Bharti Airtel right now, and Adani Ports I also have 10 stocks. So I am doing trading or investment like that, because My target will be around 5% or something like that, because I'm not I'm not targeting long, but still I try. I will see like how it performs. HDFC Life, guys, it is moving upside in symmetrical triangle, so keep an eye on it. Next is ITC, heavyweight stock. If you read about ITC, you will get lot of new things. See, also, if you can say ITC is right now in this particular, this one. And if I say, if I mark it like that, and this one is going like that, and it is trying to touch the resistance two times, this 225. Let's wait, and if this resistance break, the upside is 232, guys. She Cement 466 rupees, guys. I thought to go early morning, but I hadn't go ahead with it. And guys, it is actually following it, this one. So this stock when breaks, definitely having a huge movement. But though the price is very high, Tata Motors. See, guys, how the resistance break, but still it is upside, and it tries to touch 537, and if 537 is a break, 608 is the next target for it. And there is a huge movement in between this two zone, 537 to 432. So keep an eye on it also. Ultra Cement. So guys, you cannot say why I am saying symmetrical triangles work. This is how the symmetrical triangle works. So today it works 209 rupees profit. If you purchase today, then definitely you earn some amount. And this is the stock which my one of my viewers said me that I should, and its hanging man pattern is going upside, and today is 27 rupees 20 paisa. So this is about the nifty stocks which we have, and now I have done with most of the stocks in Nifty 50. So from tomorrow onwards, I will go with these bank nifty stocks from AU Bank, Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC Bank till this SBIN, and then we will see few startup stock also after some time. And on weekend, I mentioned few of the stocks, few of the currencies related to cryptocurrency, that is Sandbox and Decentraland. And this is one of the new concept which is coming into the market is metaverse. And in metaverse is something where web 3.0 is going on. And for that, these two currencies are the currencies by which you are able to trade in these, able to go ahead with NFTs, and you can say you are able to create an avatar and you need to purchase, but for that mana and sand cryptocurrencies are required. So I mentioned the charts because if you consider these currencies, mana, sand, Polygon, Ethereum, these currencies will actually the next target in metaverse. So I will analyze those charts also. Will analyze Bitcoin also. Will analyze, because Bitcoin I have analyzed few days back with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll keep on analyzing those. And you what I have saw, my people are viewing the videos in my channel. So do let me know how you like the videos. Do let me know what are the things I need to improve, what are the things you required I should add, because mine is an educational purpose channel. I want that people should learn price action, support and resistance, trend line and chart patterns, and they will like they should search those things on Google also, and definitely it will help them in their learning also. And do let me know if you require that I should analyze some specific chart, I will definitely go for it. So this is all about today's analysis, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.